Exercise 3.6, page number 67, question number 1. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. We are having 8 parts of the equation. We are going to solve this one in the 3 parts. In the first part, we are going to solve the part 1, 2 and 3. So, start with the part 1. This one we are having the equations is the 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to the 0, and the second equation we are having is the 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y as equal to the 13 by 6. This one we are having is the equations. Now we are going to let 1 by x as equal to the u and 1 by y as equal to the v. So the equations we are having is the u by 2 plus v by 3 is equal to the 2. We are going to simplify this one. For that one, we have to equal the denominators. We are going to cross multiply this one. Here we are having is the 3u plus 2v, and in the denominator we are having 3 to the 6 as equal to the 2. We are going to transpose this 6 here. We are having 2u plus 2v as equal to the 6 to the 12. So this one we are having is the simplification of the equation number 1. I am going to write this one as the equation number 3. Now comes to the equation number 2. This one is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Now we are having is the u by 3 plus v by 2 is equal to the 13 by 6. First of all, we have to cross multiply. So we are having 2u plus 3v and 3 to the 6. Here we are having is the 13 by 6. So cross multiply. So we are having 6 to the 12, 12u plus 6 3 is the 18v, and here we are having is the 13 multiplied by 6. This one we are having as equal to the 6 3 is the 18, carry 1, 6 1 is the 6 and 1 7. This one we are having is the 78 here. Now this one we are having is the equation number 4. Now we are having, this is the equation number 3, this is the equation number 4 we are having. Now we have to solve this one. I am going to solve this one by the eliminating method. So I am going to write here by elimination method. Now the equations we are having is the 3u plus 2v is equal to the 12 and 12u plus 18v as equal to the 78. I am going to make this 3 as the 12. For that one, we have to multiply whole equation by the 4. So to multiply this one, here we are having is the 4 3 is a 12, 4 2 is a 8, and 12 4 is a 4 2 is a 8, and 4 1 is a 4. Now this one we are having is equation number 5, and this one I am going to write this one as the equation number. This one we are having is the 4. So this is the 4 and 5 we are having. So we are going to solve this one by the elimination method. Now they are equal we are having. We are going to subtract them. So we are going to write here subtracting equation 4 from 5. So the equation number 5 we are having is the 12u plus 8v as equal to the 48, and this one we are having is the 12u plus 18v as equal to the 78. We are going to subtract this one. For that one we are going to change the sign. Now plus minus cancel. Plus minus, this one we are having as equal to the 10v minus 10v. Now plus minus minus, this one we are having as equal to the minus 30. Now minus is cancelled from minus we are having. Now v is equal to the 30 minus 10. So v is equal to we are having as equal to the 3. Now I am going to put this one in the equation number 3. So I am going to write here putting the value of v in equation 3. So this one we are having is the 3u plus 2v as equal to the 12. So this one we are having 3u plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to the 12. 3u is equal to the 12 minus 3 to the 6. Now 3u is equal to the 6. U is equal to the 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. The value of u we are having as equal to the 2 and the value of v we are having as equal to the 3. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So we are going to write here. Here we are having is the 1 by x as equal to the u. So 1 by x and u we are having as equal to the 2. Now we cross multiply this one. So we are having 2x is equal to the 1. X is equal to the 1 by 2. This one we are having is the value of x. Now comes to the y. Here we are having is the 1 by y as equal to the v. And the value of v we are having is the 3. So now we cross multiply. This one we are having is the 3y as equal to the 1 and y is equal to the 1 by 3. This one we are having is the value of y. So x we are having as equal to the 1 by 2 and y we are having is the 1 by 3. This one we are having is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. So the equation we are having is the 2 by root x plus 3 by root y as equal to the 2. This one we are having equation number 1 and the next one we are having is the 4 by root x minus 9 by root y as equal to the minus 1. This one we are having is the equation number 2. First of all we are going to convert this one in a linear equation. For that one we are going to let 1 by root x as equal to the u and 1 by root y as equal to the v. So the equation we are having is the 2u plus 3v as equal to the 2. This one we are having is the equation number 3. Now here we are having is the 4u minus 9v as equal to the minus 1. This one we are having is the equation number 4 here. Now we are going to solve this one by the elimination method. So I am going to write here by elimination method. For that one I have to convert this one, the coefficient of u as equal to the 4 because here we are having is the 4. So I am going to multiply this whole equation by the 2. So we are having is the 2 2s are 4, 4u plus 3 2s are 6 v and this one we are having is the 2 2s are 4. This one we are having is the equation number 5 and we are having is the equation number 4 as it is. So this one we are having two equations. Now we are going to subtract them. So we will write here by subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. So equation number 5 we are having the 4u plus 6v is equal to the 4 and here we are having is the 4u minus 9v as equal to the minus 1. Now we are going to change the sign we are having. Now plus minus cancel. This one we are having plus and this one we are having also as equal to the plus. This one we are having is the 15v and here we are having is the, this is the minus, this is the plus. Now plus and plus, this one we are having as equal to the 5. So value of v we are having as equal to the 5 by 15. 5 is a 5, 5 3 is a 15. So the value of v we are having as equal to the 1 by 3. Now we have to find the value of u. So we are going to write here. I am going to put this one in the equation number 3. So I am going to write here putting the value of v in equation 3 and equation number 3 we are having is the 2u plus 3v as equal to the, now 2u plus 3 multiplied by v we are having is the 1 by 3 is equal to the 2. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So we are having 2u plus 1 as equal to the 2. We are going to transpose this 1 from left hand side to the right hand side. Now plus minus minus we are having 1. Value of u we are having is the 1 by 2. Now we are having the value of u and v. We have to find the value of x and y. So I am going to write here. Here we are having is the 1 by root x as equal to the u. So 1 by root x, this is equal to the u, that is the 1 by 2. We are going to cross multiply. We are having root x as equal to the 2. We are going to transpose this root. It will become square here. So we are having x as equal to the 4 here. Now comes to the 1 by root y. This one we are having as equal to the v. So we are having here 1 by root y as equal to the v. We are having 1 by 3. We are going to cross multiply. So here we are having root y as equal to the 3. Now we are going to transpose this root. It will become square here. So here we are having y as equal to the 3. 3 is 9. So value of x we are having as equal to the 4 and the value of y we are having as equal to the 9. This one we are having is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. The equation we are having is the 4 by x plus 3y as equal to the 14. This one we are having is equation number 1, and 3x minus 4y as equal to the 23. This one we are having is the equation number 2. Now we are going to convert this one first of all in a linear equation. For that one, I am going to convert 1 by x. We are going to let 1 by x as equal to the u. So the equations we are having is the 4u plus 3y as equal to the 14. This one we are having the equation number 3, and 3u minus 4y as equal to the 23. This one we are having is the equation number 4. Now I am going to solve this one. Now I am going to solve this one by the elimination method. So we write here by elimination method. Here we are having is the 4 and here we are having is the 3. We are going to multiply the whole equation by the coefficient of the others variable. Here in the equation number 3, I am going to multiply by the coefficient of the equation number 4's coefficient of the variable u, and this one by the coefficient of the variable of the u. So here we are having, we are going to multiply whole equation now. Here we are having 4 3s are 12u plus 3 3s are 9y, and 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. This one we are having is the equation number 5. Now we multiply this one. 4 3s are 12u minus 4 4s are 16y, and here we are having 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. This one we are having is the equation number 6 here. Now we are going to subtract equation 5 from equation 4. First of all, we will write the equation number 4. We are having 12u minus 16y as equal to the 92, and the equation number 4 we are this is the 4. Now we have to write the equation number 4 here. 12u minus 9y as equal to the 40. We are going to change the signs we are having here. Now plus minus cancel. Now minus minus, we are going to add them. This one we are having as equal to the 25y minus 25y. Now plus minus minus, this one we are having as equal to the 50. So here we are going to write here y as equal to the 50 by 25, that of the negative sign. 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50. So the value of y we are having as equal to the minus 2. Now we have to find the value of u here. So I am going to put this one in the equation number 3. I am going to write here, putting the value of y in equation 3, and this one we are having the 4u plus 3y as equal to the 14. Now 4u plus 3, value of y we are having is the minus 2 as equal to the 14. Now 4u plus 3 to the 6 is equal to the 14 here. Now 4u plus minus minus 6 as equal to the 14. Now 4u as equal to the 14. Now we transpose this 6 here, we are having is the 6. Now 4u as equal to the 20. Now u is equal to 20, divide by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the value of u we are having is the 5 here. Now we have to find the value of x, we are having the value of y here. So we are going to write here 1 by x we are having as equal to the u, and 1 by x, the value of u we are having is the 5. We have to cross multiply. So 5x is equal to the 1, x is equal to the 1 by 5. The value of y we are having is the minus 2, and the value of x we are having as equal to the 1 by 5. This one we are having is the part 3. With this one we have completed the 3 parts. In the next video we are going to start with the part 4, 5 and 6.